Yeah, it's not a slip of tongue. I said, according to, before this mad country. Yes, imagine a country that is blessed with a lot of lazy and mad youths. Yes. I don't know how you may look at it, but I don't have any choice. I don't have any other choice. First, after my swearing in as the president and commander-in-chief of all the armed forces of this nation, I would like to acquire 2 brand new helicopters that will be taking my children to school. Yeah. Yeah, Ogu Emmanuel is my name. This is Imatu4 TV channel. We are on YouTube and Facebook. If you are new here, you are welcome. And a special thanks to my old viewers. Okay. Yeah, morning once again, my GO. I'm calling in respect to the last conversation I had with you last week. Yes, concerning my new political ambition. You know about the purchase of my party's expression of interest form and my presidential nomination form. Yes. I was informed the price of the forms now, yes, is 150 million naira. I know with you by my side, there will be no problem now. Yes, this telephone call is about that conversation and understanding I once had with you last month now. Yes, concerning my new political ambition and the and the modalities for achieving it. Okay, yes. Okay, my GO, please remember you gave me your word 3 months ago that as the most powerful and the richest GO with the biggest cathedral in this country. Yes. Yeah. Okay, please, do not forget you promised to sponsor my party's expression of interest and my presidential nomination forms. Yes. Even the primary elections and other lobbying expenses in this political dispensation. Yeah. You said even if it involves using all the seeds, tithes, and the offerings from your church all over the world, that you are ready to do that you must see me emerge as the next president of this country by fair or foul means. Okay. Okay, I remember I made you promise. Yeah, I made a promise to you that as soon as I'm voted in as the president of this nation, that I will give you, yes, in Abuja, I'll give you 2,000 hectares of land. Yes, for the construction of the world biggest church auditorium that will have 2 million, at least 2 million seats. Yes, it will be an edifice an edifice that will make the world marvel. Something that the world has never experienced before. Okay. It's just in my first 6 months in office as the president of this country. I will ensure that your church will make history and create a standard no other general overseer can ever meet in this country or beyond. I also promise to sponsor all your church projects, which also includes purchasing 1,000 units of 54-seater passenger buses. Yes, that will enhance your church transportation capacity, for crusades, evangelism, and other logistics in your church. Yes. Okay, with a big chunk of the nation's financial budget in my first year in office. Yes, after they might have swore for me. Sorry, after my swearing-in ceremony. That's what I meant to say, my GO. The last time we had a chat, I remember that I promised to inform you about my first plan of action. Yes, okay, now I remember. Yes, what I mean is that what I'm going to do in my first 5 years in office as the president of the Republic if I'm elected. I know with you by my side, I'm already the president. I know, yes, after settling you for your church projects from the nation's first financial budget, I would also like you to go register. Just go start a very big construction company. Yes. Use the name of your last son and also the middle name of my own last child. Yes, it's a partnership between two of us. I will make sure this particular construction company will be giving at least 80 to 90% of all the construction projects in this nation. Yeah. In my first tenure as the president of the Federal Republic of this country, like I told you in the past, yes, now, before I start any official work as the president, yeah, I told you before now, just listen carefully. I intend to use the first 5 years of my tenure to focus in taking care of my family first. Yes, before this mad country, according to one of my fellow contenders, a governor like that. Yes. Yes. I said according to, yeah, it's not a slip of tongue. I said according to, before this mad country. Yes. Imagine a country that is blessed with a lot of lazy and mad youths. Yes. I don't know how you may look at it, but I don't have any choice. I don't have any other choice. First, after my swearing in as the president and commander-in-chief of all the armed forces of this nation, I would like to acquire 2 brand new helicopters that will be taking my children to school. Yeah. Because I don't have any other plan to construct any new roads or develop any infrastructure yet. So that will be maybe in the nearest future. That is in my second tenure. I wouldn't want all those kidnappers to tamper with my children or my relatives while on their way to school. That's why they need the helicopters to fly on the air. Okay. Okay. Okay, I understand. I also plan to use the money budgeted for the provision of the country's internal security projects. Yes. I want to use it to order at least 5 private jets, 3 helicopters, at least 10 bulletproof Rolls-Royce Cullinan or Phantoms. I mean the limited edition, so for my beautiful wife, I mean my beautiful angel. Yes, I intend to open, just for a start, at least 5 biggest jewelries and clothing boutiques in Dubai, New York, Paris, London, Abuja, Lagos, and probably Port Harcourt. Yeah. I have also concluded plans to use part of the nation's budget to acquire for myself the choicest skyscrapers at the most strategic locations. I prefer those places near Manhattan, New York. Yes, New York City. Paris, Monaco, London, Singapore, maybe Dubai. I've also set up plans to use the money budgeted for repairing of all the dams that will enhance constant electricity for the country to acquire at least 10 biggest and the most expensive buildings in Maitama, Abuja, and another 10 at Banana Island. Light? No, my GO is supposed to know now. It is not in our DNA. Have you ever seen any president that has given the country light in the past? As soon as we have new presidents, yes, the power of the meters, the power of light will go down instead of going up. So it's not in our DNA, okay, to give light. Okay. 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 I'm coming. They just brought light now. Yes. They just brought light now. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh, I don't know where I stopped. Okay, it's like as I was saying before, I have plans to engage Julius Berger to use a land, the size of a local government area in my state, just for the construction of my personal country home in my village compound that will include, a personal airport, 2 helipads. Yes, that will be dropping my children back and forth. There will also be a private flowing streams, underground flyovers, underground oil and gas reserve tanks. Yeah. There will be underground warehouses for the storage of military weapons and cash now. Cash. I'm supposed to understand my GO. Those ones that I will collect from our nation's coffers. Yes. And from the military warehouses for my private use when necessary. Okay? I will use those money to settle pay my tithes to the judges, the Economic and Crime Commission people. Yes. And because I know they will come after me as soon as my tenure is over. It's sure, and I'm prepared to face the music. Yes, cash-wise. Now. Yes, I know that they will come after me, I know. Okay. I will also build a private dam for my family alone. Private dam for electricity for my family. Not even for my village or talk less of my local government area. Oh, no. I will also construct an underground car park, capable of keeping at least 2,000 exotic and custom-built vehicles. Yes. I plan to make my junior brother the governor of the central bank. Yes, although he did not pass his JAMB, but yes, I don't have another choice. Okay. But I have a problem. I don't know if my dear and lovely wife will accept to be my vice president. Yes, the first lady at the same time. Yes. And I would also like to make her the group managing director of the NNPC. Okay, about that, no, my in-law will be made the Senate president so that I will have my person holding the political midfield of the nation. Okay, if you ask me, I think I'm not too greedy because all these past leaders of this mad nation, according to a fellow contender, it's not from me. I didn't call this country mad. I copied from somebody who did. Yes, according to a fellow contender, they have done more harm to this country than good. That's why all these my fellow presidential contenders are very serious to buy these forms at any unreasonable cost and by any unholy means possible. Yes. I'm also thinking of making James, the one from my village, that one that attends your church now. Yes, that one that is one of the elders in your church. I intend to make him the defense minister. Then the other cousin, Amadi, the Minister of Finance and Economic Planning. Then Ifani, that my second uncle, I intend to make him the Controller General of the Customs. Now, part of his job will be to be seizing all the goods and containers of all my political enemies and all those big businessmen from those tribes that did not vote for me. Yes, those who refuse to vote for me. Yes. I've also penciled down the names of all my social and political enemies that will be in prison for life or on trumped-up charges. I mean those that will be assassinated and the ones that will made to disappear as soon as I become the president. Yes, I'm not about to enter there as a joker. I came for serious business. How can I invest this kind of money and you expect me to play by the rules of the game? Yes, I have also blacklisted many YouTubers, social media influencers, some media houses who refuse to, that will refuse to promote my political campaigns for free. And all those ones criticizing my political ambition, yes, they will all go down as well. Gio, please, before I forget to, yes, before I forget, remember to send me your own ministerial list of 10 persons. Okay, okay. I'll be expecting that. Okay. Least I forget, all the members of my family will be going to Europe and America for their manicure and pedicure. Yes, some hair treatments, some haircuts, and charging of those phones that I told you that I'm going to buy. I mean the 24 karat gold and diamond plated mobile phones. Yes, we'll go. Yes, we'll go and charge those phones over there. You know our life now. It's not something that you can trust. Okay. I will also use the money for all the state and the local government allocations to be taking care of all our numerous baby mamas and girlfriends scattered all over the world. Awana, you are, okay, let me not go there. I've forgotten that I'm speaking with with a God of man. Oh, sorry, a man of God. Okay. I will divert half of all the country's annual budgets to my Panama, Cayman Island, Switzerland, Monaco, Paris, and London, my London's hidden banks and my offshore accounts. I will make sure all the juicy political appointments must come from my tribe and religion only. Only. It's my people that will enjoy all the strategic government posts and positions. Yes. The Minister of Justice. Whom do I give it to? Okay, I have an uncle. Although he came last in their law degree exams in the university, but there is nothing impossible for God. Okay. His job will be to treat and label all those criticizing and complaining about me and my tenure as traitors, coup plotters, enemies of the state. That will be his job. I will sponsor all the bandits of this country to fight all those communities and people fighting against me. Anyway, G.O., this is my own political plans for now. I still have a lot of other things in the pipeline. I intend to do for myself and my family first, before thinking about this mad country, according to that man. It's a mad country that is expecting a mad president. Okay. Charity, they say, begins at home. That is more reason why I want to start it from my own home. Yes. G.O., please, before I drop this phone, I know you will like this. Please give me the names of some of your major rival G.O.s. I mean, all those big televangelists, too, that used to give you problems, that used to take some of your followers. Okay. No, I need them so that they will be taken care of by this new Economic and Financial Crime Commission that I will set up as soon as they swear for me. Oh, no, sorry. As soon as I am sworn in as the president. Okay, anyway, my general overseer, it's a pleasure talking to you over the phone. We shall meet next week to discuss those things we cannot share over the phone due to security reasons. Okay, do have a nice day. Please extend my warm regards to Mama. Yes, the mommy of the church. My regards to her and your family and all other members of the church. And with you. Okay? Okay, do have a nice day. Bye, my Gio. I'm still loyal. Bye. Our politicians has turned our brain like African salad. This is another season for election. Our people, open your eyes and beware. Also be wise. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Immaculate TV, on Facebook and YouTube. Click like on my Facebook page, Immaculate TV. Ring the notification bell to catch all our videos. Please do not forget to share this video. You must have to share this video so that others will learn from what you learned from. Bye-bye and see you in my next video. Bye.